All right, here is the fourth question on the sample AP questions. What is output is produced by this code? So we remember that slash there is an escape character. And so whatever comes after that is just like a special character, right? And the reason is you can't just put like a quote in the middle of your print because this quote would end the starting quote. So what we have here is this is the start of the string and then escape character because we want to put a quote there. So all this means is we're going to have a quote at the start of our string. Okay, so that would eliminate any ones that don't have that. All right, and then the slash doesn't show up, just the quote. So we're going to have a double quote, then we're going to start this is, okay, then this is escape character for return. So the end doesn't get printed, it just prints a return there. So it should go to the next line, which would be D or E. Okay, and then it'll say very strange, and then this part will be the quote on the end, and then this quote ends the string here. Okay, so we're just going to have a whatever dot dot dot, a return dot dot dot, and then a quote at the end. So that's going to be letter E, right? Because the lines don't show up, just the escape character does. So just the quote at the beginning and the end. That's what these escape character things are doing right here and right here. That'll put a quote on the beginning and the end. And sorry, I covered it up there, but you have a quote on the beginning and the end. So letter E is the right choice for this one. Oh man, I covered it up again. This is the struggle bus. See if I can do it. All right, there we go. Letter E. E. All right. Thanks for watching.